How to add a border in clipchamp. Want to give your video a clean professional frame? Let's add a border in clipchamp. Click the Content Library tab on the left and scroll to Frames and Border. Choose the border that fits your style. Drag the shape to your timeline above your main video. Now resize it in the preview so it hugs the edge like a true border. Click on the border to adjust the color, rotate it, or even animate it with a fade or zoom. Make it bold, minimal, or match your video's vibe. Play the preview. Your border should frame your video just right. All done. Hit export. And boom, we have added a custom border like a pro. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fast tutorials.